Okay, so here is another problem where you're missing two coordinates. We're missing both of these r's. So we're going to do the same thing we did in the one coordinate video, where we're going to substitute all of this stuff into the slope formula. So I like to identify what's what in here. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is the slope identified by the m. And then when I plug it all in, I get m, which is 2, equals y2 minus y1, 6 minus r, over x2 minus x1, r minus 12. And you may notice that I don't have a fraction for slope. I'm going to put that 2 over 1 so I can use that as a proportion later. Step 2, simplify. I can't simplify, so I'm just going to leave it as is. And the last thing I'm going to get to is solving the proportion. I'm going to move this down a little bit so we can see the steps. We are going to cross multiply. So I'm going to have 1 times the quantity 6 minus r. And you may have parentheses around this to help you remember to distribute 2. And that equals 2 times the quantity r minus 12. We're going to go through and distribute. Again, when you multiply 1 by stuff, it doesn't change anything. That's going to be 6 minus r. And then on this side, 2 times r is 2r, minus 2 times 12 is 24. So we have distributed. Can we simplify anything? No, and no. So now we are going to try to decide which side we want to put the r's on. I'm going to move them to the right side. So I'm going to add an r to each side. So that's going to be 3 r's minus 24 equals 6. And now I'm going to move the numbers to the left side by adding 24. 6 and 24 is 30 equals 3r. So all my numbers are on the left, all my r's are on the right. Now I have to solve. I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get r equals 10, which means that both of my r's, when they equal 10, will give me a slope of 2 for those 2 points.